Hello from Slovenia again. I got this dotting tool in my mail today, but I will not do dottings today, but I will pour an easy mandala flower kind of, and I have fluorescent colors left from my yesterday's pour, and I already painted my canvas with black, but I will pour a black base for paint to flow, and I will speed you up for this process, and then we will continue. Okay, so this part is done, and I will not do a reverse flower dip. I will just do that simple pattern that hopefully I will get a nice mandala look. I want to have it in the middle as much as I can, but kind of. So let's start with fluorescent green. No. And I will add black in between every layer. Not a lot, but okay. And fluorescent blue. And a little black. Have to be careful with black, I think. And fluorescent violet. And black. And I will try to embellish that when it will be dry with some dotting tools to see what will happen. So this will be obviously the first part of this painting, to do a pour, or maybe I will just leave it. And this I used fluorescent magenta and fluorescent orange. The black again. And yellow, and then I will repeat the process. Okay, so this part is done. I will gently remove this cup and try to wait for the paint to flow towards the middle, and maybe I will even use some of those tools for do some rackings. I don't think that I will use this one, because I will draw some patterns. But first I want to force the paint to flow towards the middle like that, if I can. So let's start with some rackings, and then I will work on the center again. I will just bring this a little towards the middle first. Okay. So, and now I will go like that. Obviously this is, you know, fluid art, acrylic pouring, abstract art. It will not be a perfect mandala, because you can do that with this technique, but you can get close, okay? And now I will go from this yellow to the outside, and then we will spin this, and when it will be dry I will decide if I want to use these dotting tools and do something with it, or I will just leave it like it is. Okay, and now I will just dip where I see some drips of other colors into that color to camouflage it a little bit. Okay, and still need some work in the middle, so I will grab this dotting tool now and try to go down and up with that. Okay, the middle is really important, you know. Okay, it's not totally in the middle, so it will not be centered, but anyway, let's spin that. I'm looking my middle, what is happening. So obviously it will not be centered, but I don't mind. Okay, so I will go a little towards this side and spin it again. Okay, I think that I have to dip again a little bit in the middle. I need some black here, and then I will give it a final spin. Perfect. Okay, I will leave it like that, and as I said, maybe, just maybe, I will use that dotting tool when it will be dry. I will definitely let you know, and now I will take you for a close-up. So here is a close-up. Center is definitely not as good as I was hoping for, and maybe I will go with a little different lines next time. But as I said, if it will, when this is wet and when it will be dry, if I will still have problems and I will not like it, I will try to do some dotting thing, maybe just here in the middle and leave the outside out. Let me know in the comments. Would you like me to see something like to see me do something like that? But if you like it like that, it's just you know, an easy technique to do kind of mandala flower. Or maybe next time I wouldn't add black, so I would have blank space, and it will, you know, with the pressing in, it would create better things. So definitely I can improve, and I think that I would go in a different direction with racking. So, but here it is for today. And tell me in the comments what you think about embellishing it with dotting tools. And see you on the next one. Bye!